Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss convex hull. It is very important if you want to change your polygon in convex hull. So it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end. Like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so you help me by subscribe. Let's start. Here is our area. We change it to convex hull. For convex hull we go to selection and we select our polygon. We select here 5 polygon, and after select we go to vector and geoprocessing tool, and we select here convex hull. After it we select here input layer, and after input layer we tick selected feature only, and after it we run it, we close it. You see here our convex hull is converted, and we transparent it. For transparent it we double click on symbology, transparent it, apply and OK. You see here your area is converted convex hull. So our process complete successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to use different function in QGIS. If you want to create new layer using different layer, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If any query, please write in comment. I help you, so you help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our layer and we create another layer. So we go to selection and select some part, and we go to vector, geoprocessing tool, difference, and we select here input layer, our input layer, and we select selected feature only. We create selected feature only. We run, we close it. You see here our layer is created, is unselected. Our layer is created, unselect area, and here is whole area. If you want to change other layer and you clip it, so you create a shapefile. We go to layer and create layer, new shapefile layer, and we go to particular folder path, and we write here name, shape, and we geometry type polygon, and name, add, our name is added, and OK. Our AOI created, we select it and create a AOI. We highlight it and we select polygon and we create polygon. Right click, OK. Our polygon created, and we go to vector and geoprocessing tool and different, and we select here symbology, means layer, our old layer, and we select here overlay layer, AOI, and OK. Close it and we check here. Here is our overlay layer, and you again, here is AOI, here is AOI, and we go to vector, geoprocessing tool, difference, and we select here AOI, and we select here symbology layer, then OK, close it. You see here our difference layer. You create layer using defense function. So our process is complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.